Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Dip your fingers in cold water and after 30 seconds, you will find out if you are healthy. A simple trick can show a very important thing about your health. Pour very cold water into the cup and dip the fingertips into it for 30 seconds. After this time you will get a clear indication of whether you are healthy or have health problems. If your fingertips turn white or blue, you have a circulation problem. A significant change in temperature, or stress, can cause the appearance of blood vessels to the fingers, nose, or ears. As a result, these parts of the body do not receive enough blood and can harden. Circulatory problems can be caused by blood clots that can be very dangerous, because if they are broken, they can reach the heart or lungs and become potentially fatal. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.